What's up, y'all? Look, I know I said I wasn't gonna work on any more weed eaters. Well, at least I told myself that. Well, not work on them in general, but work on them on camera. But man, I got a Redmax here. I don't think I've ever worked on a Redmax weed trimmer on the channel. So here we go. Man, it's a Redmax Bc2600. I think that's what it is. If it's not, I'm gonna put it up there at the top of the screen. You'll see it. And what it's doing, I'm having a carburation issue. But the main thing that I'm having, I'm gonna see if I can do this. It's hard, it's a hard start, and I believe that the clutch is sticking, because when I pull the trigger, pull the starter, it's also moving that weed trimmer head. So I'm gonna try to do it so you can see the weed trimmer head. You see it move? That's a problem. Usually it means that the clutch is sticking. So what I want to do, I want to check out this clutch and see if it's sticking. We got 4 bolts right here. Hopefully it lets us see the clutch without doing too much intrusive work on this unit. You never know. So let's do it. Man, if anybody knows where there's an indestructible bit holder, man, I've tried all different types of bit holders. All of them end up stripping out, and makes it so the bit will come off with the bolt or screw or whatever you're trying to undo. And it's so annoying. So annoying. Oh yeah, man, look at that clutch right there, man. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, I see what happened though. It looks like one of the clutch shoes came off inside of this housing right here, this clutch housing, and I believe that's what's causing the issue. So all right, so what we're gonna do, let's just replace this clutch. 9/16. All right, that did that. So I'm gonna come back and see the torque specs on this clutch. So I have it right. Okay, so that goes on it. Washers goes right there. So gotta remember that. All right, so let's take a look at our new clutch. Just like that. All right, so let's get this bad boy on here. Put our washers on here. Boom, boom. Slide this on here. All right, get this on here. Cameraman, I'm gonna put a string in here so I can stop the clutch from rotating and tighten these up to the proper specs, man. Let's get it. Okay, see, I got my rope in there. Pull tight. Ain't nothing to it. Man, I can't find any torque specs on this Redmax, man. I tried and I tried, so I'm gonna snug the hell out of them. Take this one, I'm gonna do the same thing. Got that bad boy snug. Let's take our string back out. All right, now let's put our clutch back on. Like so. Take our bolts. Put these bad boys back on. We still got a carburetor issue. I got a new one on the way. So I might take this one off just to play with it a little bit, see what I can come up with. All right, moment of truth. Well, let me put my spark plug back in here. Moment of truth. Ah, there it is. See, it's not spinning. It's not spinning at all. Yup. The clutch shoe head came off, and that's what was causing the issue. You can see the shoe still attached to this one, but that shoe was off. And I got it somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. Boom. That shoe head came off, and it was getting hung up in there. Boom.